Political parties are institutions in the parliament which are independent and should be allowed to do their work independently. The leadership of political parties should never be interfered with by the Speaker of the Senate. When a political party chooses to change leadership or to whip a member for any reason, it is none of the business of the Speaker to interfere. As Azimio Moja One Kenya coalition, we decided, because of reasons that we gave, to change our leadership both in the Senate and also in the National Assembly. This has not been effected up to today, because I hear the Speaker is stubborn and is listening, or says he's respecting a ruling by a tribunal. Speaker Kaparo made a ruling very clearly that Parliament cannot be injuncted in performing its duties. So I want to urge the Speaker to allow Azimio to effect the changes in leadership in the House.